Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Andrea and I love to talk about all things social media, online business, and content creation. After helping my husband, Color by Felix, grow his social media channels to millions of followers across many different platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and helping him navigate the online business and art business space, I am here to share some pointers with you guys that we've learned along the way to hopefully make your journey a lot easier. Be sure to subscribe, like for more information if that interests you and if you're trying to learn how to grow your own personal brand or online business. What I wanted to share with you guys in today's video is a topic that I hear a lot from my clients, and that is how to monetize as a content creator. Maybe my clients don't come to me immediately with that question, but what they do come to me with the question of is, how do I get more followers on social media? How do I 10x my business? These are both questions kind of leading to that topic of how to monetize as a content creator. And at the root of those questions, really what they're asking is, how do I make money with what I'm doing? And how does having followers turn into money? So I wanted to kind of explain that to you guys here, because I think there's a big misconception of people that think that just because you have a lot of followers, that automatically equals dollars, and that actually is not the case. There's a lot of content creators that have big followings that are not monetizing as well as they could be, or don't have the proper tools in place to make their business run as efficiently as possible. So that is my goal with these videos, is to help you guys get your businesses set up, help it to run smoothly, and that is my goal with my clients as well, is to help them really get a flow of customers coming in, make their business more automated, and make it run more efficiently. Let's get into 3 mistakes that I see content creators or business owners who want to create content around their product or service make. Mistake number 1 that I see often is that people don't have clarity around what their why is. Why are you wanting to create content? Why are you wanting to grow on social media? If you don't have a very clear answer for that, I would suggest that you sit down and really think about what your reasoning behind wanting a bigger audience is. Having a bigger audience does not equal more money. As I said before, you need to have a solid business plan in place. You need to have a product or service to offer your followers. You need to also have value that you're providing for the people that are watching your content that relates to whatever it is you're selling or whatever it is you have to offer to improve people's lives with. It's important to be thoughtful about what your why is and really make a plan for what your business goals and intentions are, and get that flow going of content creation, and then where you're directing them, and then from there get the customer journey in place, because once you can get organized that way, money is going to come in. But the problem is that if you try to rush that and you try to just quickly make a product and throw it out to your audience, they're gonna notice. And also, people don't like to feel like they're being sold to. They wanna feel like they have a relationship with you as the content creator. It's important to provide value up front and continue to nurture your audience, get that foundation put in place before you even consider trying to sell anything to your audience. In the beginning, I know it's tempting. You think, oh, I gotta hurry up, I gotta get all these followers, and I gotta hurry up and make some sales, and I have to hurry up and get everything in place and make money. But actually, I would encourage you guys to be very thoughtful and take that process slowly of building your foundation, providing value, getting a plan and a why in place for what it is that you want your business to look like. Not even just now, but in 1 year, in 2 years, in 5 years. Things are going to change as you go along in your business, but to have that foundation so that you are playing the long game versus the short game and not just trying to make a quick buck. Tip number 2 for how to make money as a content creator. This is also a mistake that I see many content creators make, which is trying to spread themselves too thin and not focusing really on how they want to make money. I suggest that you take a moment to figure out how you want to make money. Is it going to be through a product? Is it through a service you offer? Do you prefer making videos? Because if you prefer making videos, you can make money off of ad revenue. Really being thoughtful about how you want to make money, what it is you have to offer your audience. Is it something that you physically send out? Is it a digital product? What kinds of things do you have to offer your audience, and what is bringing you the most return for your time spent? Because I think a lot of creators, what happens is they automatically think, oh, I'm really good at making TikToks, so I'm gonna focus on TikTok, and then they neglect all these other channels where they could be making a lot more money with ad revenue, and on top of that be better promoting their products or services, whatever it is that they have to offer. But depending on what it is you have to offer your audience, that's going to determine which social media platform you should focus on. For example, if you are an educator, definitely YouTube, because you're getting paid from ad revenue and you can offer your product or service. If you're just making content, I would highly suggest focusing on a platform that's going to pay you for your time and effort that you're putting into growing your audience versus a platform like Instagram where they're not paying anything for the content that you're putting out there. Instagram is great if you have a brand or if you have a product that you want to sell, but you're not getting anything in return for your content. So to me, as if I'm a content creator, I want to think about, okay, where is my time best spent, and not just about growing followers. Followers are great, but it's not putting money in the bank or feeding you. So it's really important to focus your time and energy where it is best being compensated. And I know this can be a struggle as a content creator because there's a lot of flashy objects. Maybe there's opportunities coming in your inbox and you don't know which ones to pursue. If you follow from what I said in the last point, that you have a plan for where you want your business to go, or if you just want to be a content creator and you just want to get compensated by ad revenue, then you should focus on that. But really decide what it is that you want to focus on and where you want to make income, and then narrow in on that like 100%, and you're going to see a lot better results for your effort versus being spread really thin and trying to do everything, but yet you're not benefiting as a creator for the time that you're spending, and you're spreading yourself too thin. At the end of the day, your time is your most valuable asset. The final tip that I would give is to not only focus on social media. I think that's a big mistake. If you haven't started growing your platforms outside of social media, you need to start today. And you can do that just by setting up an email service provider or through your website. You need to have something that you own, that you can grow, that even if something happens on social media, then you still own something. At the end of the day, say you want to go and sell your business. What people are looking for when they go to buy a business is a list of customers or a website with a certain amount of traffic that you've been able to drive to that website. These are the main things that people are looking for if you're going to sell your business. Now, maybe you're not looking to sell a business, but there are still a ton of benefits to growing an email list in addition to your social media. And if you're not doing it, that's a huge mistake, and you need to start as soon as possible. It's never too late and it's never too early to start growing your email list. Say something happens, you've spent all this time and effort building your YouTube or building your Facebook, building your Instagram, and something gets hacked into or something disappears. At the end of the day, these social media platforms don't owe you anything. And it's great to know, and you're gonna sleep a lot better at night knowing that you have your customers in a safe place that you can access. If you need to contact them, reach out to them, still let them know that maybe you started a YouTube channel or you moved to a new handle name, or you have a new line of prints available if you're an artist. So these are all scenarios in which it's great to have an email list and a way to contact your followers outside of social media. So I highly suggest starting your email list. I hope that this video could be helpful for you guys. All three of the points that I just gave, maybe it's not directly going to put money in your bank account today, but these are all pointers that you need to consider for down the road if you are a content creator, if you have an online business and you're looking to build it and improve your leads, your sales. These are all really important factors, and in the long run, these are the main pointers that I can give that will help you with building the foundation of your business and having more success in your business. So I hope this could help, and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this video and any suggestions or questions that you guys have about online business or social media that I can help answer. I'm happy to do that. I will see you guys next week. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.